Hi! In this short video, we'll show how to install Perun Moto Heel Guards on the KTM 390 Adventure R, X or Enduro. The installation is as simple as it gets. All mounting hardware is included in the kit and only basic tools are required: a 6mm Allen key and a TX40 Torx. Start by removing the stock passenger foot pegs. Unscrew the bolts and take off the foot peg brackets on both sides of the bike. Before installing the new parts, check that the threads in the subframe are clean and free of debris. Position the Perun Moto Heel Guard in place and secure it using the supplied bolts. You can apply a mild thread locking agent to the bolts. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side of the bike. With this, the installation is complete and the heel guards are ready for action. Next, we'll show how to use the quick release slot for luggage straps. Start by threading the strap through the buckle on your bag to create a loop. Insert the lower end of the loop through the slot at the top of the heel guard. Make sure the strap is not twisted. Now, pull the strap to tighten it and secure the remaining length if needed. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching and, as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.